Are you a bank customer in Pakistan? Confused about the latest FBR notification, S.R.O 2041 of 2024, and whether it impacts your transactions? You're not alone. In this video we'll break down exactly who is affected by this new rule, and how it might impact you, using simple language and practical examples. Okay, let's dive into it. S.R.O 2041 I/2024 is a notification from the Federal Board of Revenue, or FBR, in Pakistan. Specifically, it designates certain banks as withholding agents under something called swaps. What is swaps, you might ask? Well, it's a system to improve how withholding taxes are collected. Now that sounds complicated, but the main point here is who is responsible for collecting tax. And is that you? Withholding tax is a type of income tax that's deducted at the source of income before payment is made. Think of it like having a small portion of your payment going directly to the government. This S.R.O names 34 specific banks in Pakistan as withholding agents under swaps. A full list is linked in the description below so you can see if your bank is on this list. Now here's where most people get confused. Does this S.R.O apply to you, the customer of the bank? The short answer is no. This S.R.O specifically affects how the banks themselves operate and doesn't introduce new obligations for their customers directly. If you are finding this information helpful so far, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps us reach more people who need to know about this. So, the banks listed in the S.R.O have been designated as swaps, withholding agents. This means that when they purchase their own goods or services, they are required to deduct tax. These may be things like buying stationery, office equipment, or hiring a consultant. The bank is now the payer of income under this S.R.O and has to deduct withholding taxes on payments made to their suppliers under Sections 153(1)(a) and 153(1)(b) of the Income Tax Ordinance. But, when a customer of the bank pays their supplier using their bank account, that's not affected by this S.R.O. The bank is simply processing the transaction. It's the customer, who is the payer in this case, and they would have to deduct tax if they are designated as a withholding agent by the FBR, under other notifications or provisions. Let's look at two examples to make this clearer. First, Bank Al Habib hires a cleaning company. Bank Al Habib will deduct withholding tax from payment made to the cleaning company, as per the requirement under the Income Tax Ordinance. But when a textile company, which is a customer of Bank Al Falah, pays a fabric supplier through online transfer, this S.R.O does not apply to their payment through Bank Al Falah. The garment company, if designated as a withholding agent, would be required to deduct tax as per the law. So, the main takeaway? S.R.O 2041 I/2024 is about the bank's own purchases and not your day-to-day transactions. It doesn't create new obligations for you as a bank customer. Does this mean all my bank transactions are taxed now? No, just the bank's purchases. Do I need to do anything different because of this S.R.O? No, this S.R.O doesn't impose any new obligations on you as a customer. We hope this video has cleared the confusion around S.R.O 2041 I/2024. Thank you for watching Tax Dosti YouTube channel. If you found this useful, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content and tax updates, and let us know your questions in the comments below.